Good morning, y'all. Good morning. We're on a warming trend. It's 47 degrees this morning. Not so bad. Light wind right now. It's going to pick up this afternoon. So we got a few hours, but really excited because we got something new. I picked this up. I sold a few things and I picked this up because I think this will really help me create memories, and good memories will create good content. So let's go see what we have in order. We're down here at Marine Creek today, so we'll see. I see a few fish jumping already. Probably white bass, crappie, something of that nature. But this is what I'm excited to show you. It is our brand new Hobie PA 14 in orange papaya. Thank you, Mariner Sales in Dallas. So today's video is not so much targeting catching fish as more as learning how to use this bad boy. So that's the goal today. So I'll bring you guys back on here once I kind of get this thing figured out and I don't feel like such a retard. Talk to you later. Nice. Hit it right at the boat. Nice little guy. Look at that. We caught our first fish in the Hobie. Heck yeah. He smashed that rattle trap. Think that's gonna be the ticket. That's gonna be the ticket. Oh, yeah, yeah. Second fish in the Hobie. Gaffed him, perfect. Slobber knocker. Booyah. Woohoo, you're lively. You're lively. You're out a little deeper. They're out a little deeper. Let's see if we can get a length on you. What are you gonna come in at? Get the board wet. Been a minute. What are you gonna come in at? Playing dangerous games right now. Come on, close your mouth. Nice. 15 and a quarter. 15 and a quarter. And we got a pattern. Yeah, let's go. This thing's so cool. Getting used to this kayak. Not bad. 2 miles an hour, 2.5. My legs are burning. It's gonna be some getting used to. Number 3. Texas rig. You weren't going nowhere. Nice. Nice little guy. Thanks for playing. Nice. Number 4. Number 4. A little bit better. Nice easy release. Probably 12 inches. Thanks for playing. All right. That makes number 5. We got a limit today. Look at us. Oh, you weren't going nowhere. You weren't going nowhere. Nice, he's long. He's a good kayak bass. Come on. Let's see what your length is. I got 13 and a half. Thank you for playing. All right, y'all. Time for Fowler's Takeout. The sun came out and the wind picked up, and my legs are shot for the first day. Good, I got 5. Bass. No, you're fine. You're fine. It's pointed at me. Good, I got 5. I got 1 on a rattle trap early this morning. Got 1 on a chatterbait a little bit deeper out around the first point. And then I circled the whole lake. Ended up getting 3 more. 2 off a Texas rig, weightless, and 1 off a drop shot. So, orange, red, and black and blue. Awesome. All the colors you typically do. Yeah, I was surprised. The water's between 50 and 52 degrees for surface temp.
Yeah. I think more if they're coming out of their strong right now, they're kind of just scattered relatively deep.
Yeah.
So this next week it should be going up. So this should be good.
Yeah, I got second in a tournament on Alvarado last year, end of March. They were moving shallow to spawn then. I think it's going to be a little earlier this year.
Yeah, I did too. Catfish, I catfished a lot, and big catfish. It was kind of weird. They're big cats that just come in and do. For me, at least.
Yeah, I got Lake Worth. So out of is it Sunnyside, Sunset? So you got the main where everybody goes with the boat ramp, and then if you go down the very next little park on your left.
Gotcha. I know what you're talking about.
So by the sailboat marina.
Yeah.
last year in January, I went out there because that point's rocky. It's like the only rock on that side of the shore. And I was running a black and blue chatterbait. I caught 3 blues, you know, like off a chatterbait. I wasn't even trying to catch those.
Yeah, it's tough with a bunch of catfish. You can get catfish. It's the big ones. That's what I love drift fishing. It's big
Yeah.
catfish. 50, 60 pounders.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, I've never been on a big catfish bite. Just I've caught them fishing for bass.
Cool. Well, good deal. Sounds like you got a good evening.
Yeah, yeah. Can't beat the weather for into February. Yeah, that's why I got here early and I'm off. I'm not fighting the wind.
Good deal. You have a good one.
You too. Thank you, sir. So, our local law enforcement checking us out. Nothing wrong with that. Making sure we're having fun. This thing, let me tell you, this thing, it makes a huge difference when you have way more control over your boat compared to my paddle. As you heard me tell the cop, I got 5 today, and that is my first official full 5 fish limit in Texas. And glad to be that it's in the brand new Kayak. I understand why everybody wants these things now, you know, with the rudder system and the pedal drive and all that. It just makes life so much easier, and hopefully we can use some of this because the wind busting the audio up. But no, I had a great day. Off to do the honeydews and whatnot. So thanks for riding along, and we'll get the video up shortly.